no. He tripped and hit his head on a rock.
Typical Patrick move.
Is he okay?
What the fuck is he saying?
I think he's speaking in Morse code.
This is ridiculous. How are we supposed to understand him now?
Maybe we can try to decipher it. It can't be that hard.
Oh, for fuck's sake, just tell us what you want.
Wait, I think I got it. He wants a Krabby Patty.
Wow, what prize?
Are you sure that's all he said? Maybe there's something more important hidden in there.
What does that mean?
He said I'm hungry. All except Patrick burst out laughing at the absurdity of the situation while Patrick looks confused and frustrated at their reaction.